Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm going to be opening up two more of the 2021 Collegiate Football Trading Cards Prizm Draft Picks. 5 cards. What is that? 5 cards per box. 6 packs. 5 cards per pack. Find one Purple Wave Prizm. We'll try to point that out. And then we're going to try to get someone awesome. See if we can pull another auto. As always, just doing this for fun. Hopefully you enjoy it. I'm definitely getting my fun. The Prizm. We're doing some Prizm. Doing some Mosaic. And I'll probably be doing a select. Can't wait to get to those. I think these I probably got 2021, the winter of 2021. I've been holding on to these. My good cards. So here we go. Enough talk. Open them up. First box, second box. These are the blaster. Like I said, hopefully we're going to get an auto again. Hopefully it's someone awesome. But look for on-campus inserts, green, Pulsar Prizm. Let's do this. If it's someone awesome, we'll sleeve them up, of course. Here we go. If you haven't watched yet, go back, watch my other Prizm, and you could probably go back even further yet, like a year ago, when these came out, and they just came out again a while ago, or I just had some. I did these a long time ago, probably a year ago, but here's some more. Here we go. Let's go first pack, see who we get. 5 cards. We love the Prizm. That Josh Allen. There you go. Silver there, RC. Alright, put that down to the side. Alright, another RC, but that's not a. And of course, Crusades. RC. We'll put that there. Alright. Don't steal. Don't need that. Throw that. Alright. Next pack. We're going to do this quick. Nothing spectacular that first pack. Here we go. Justin Herbert. Cam Ecker. Alright, not bad. Ooh, look at that. It's Micah Parson. RC. That is probably the green Pulsar. We'll take it. Devontae Smith. All-American. Alright. Another RC. Alright. Next pack. Alright. Here we go. Jonathan Taylor. There we go. Must be a green Pulsar. That is a nice card right there. Alright. There's Trey Lance. Crusades. Or if that's maybe that's a green Pulsar, or no, this is probably just school colors. Alright, next pack. Of course, go Drew Brees. Michael Pittman Jr. Oh, look at Derek Carr. Is that our purple wave? Purple wave Derek Carr. All right, we'll take it. We'll put you up there. Yeah. Amir Smith Merced. I'd put him up on the Vikings wall, but we traded him. So, sorry there, bud. All right. There we go. But in 2021, he was a Vikings. 2022, he's not. All right. Drew Lock. Yep. Ezekiel Elliott. Not bad. Kadarius Toney. All right. That's the that. All right. Whoo. There, Crusades. There we go. All-American Trevor Lawrence, RC. Kyle Pitts. All right. Last pack from the first blaster box here. And we'll do a comparison at the end. Kelvin Ridley. There we go. Joe Burrow. Jordan Love. All right. Jalen Waddle. All right. Crusades. Well, all right. Wasn't bad. Probably wasn't the best. Let's hope number 2 is the best. I'll sleeve up Derek Carr. None fancy. All right. This here. All right. That. Box 2. And silver up there. All right. First pack for the second box here. Ooh, controversial. Here we go. T. Higgins. Will Fuller. Tyler Vaughn. Ooh, there we go. Quiddy Pay. Nice. All right. All right. Matthew Stafford. Look at that. There's our purple parallel, purple wave. You know, as a Lion, oh boy, boo. But, go to the Rams, win the Super Bowl. All right. Justin Fields, All-American. Dylan Moses. All right. All right. Where's my hit? We got guys put there. There we go. Justin Jefferson. Put you up there, Justin. Seth. There we go. All right. Crusades. I would have liked a Justin Jefferson autograph. I have some, but I would have liked one. I would have liked to pull a Justin Jefferson autograph. Actually, you know what? If this is 2021, I want to get, because I want to pull it, course, for the Gophers, if you're a Gopher fan, you'll know I want to get Rashad Bateman. That'd been awesome to pull. Look there, we got regular base Derek Carr, Henry Ruggs, Drew Brees, there's your green, there's your regular Micah, of course, Zach Wilson right there. All right. And of course, I always get Cam Newton, Todd Gurley, of course, Drew Lock again. That looks like a silver Drew Lock. Put silver Drew Lock over here. Of course, Trey Lance. Oh, look at that. Rashad Bateman. I would have liked an auto, but I will take the Crusades right there. All right, I'll move you guys over. More excited about Justin and Rashad. All right, here we go. Last pack. This is going to be it. Something awesome. Is it? Let's find out. Here we go. Matt Ryan. And Chris Evans. All right. Well, I'm going to say both equally good. But second box, at least for me, was better because we got Justin Jefferson for the Vikings and Rashad Bateman on the Gophers. Of course, he is on the Ravens, which is okay because he did go to a team with the purple. So it didn't have to be the Vikings. But as always, we love doing the Prizm. We'll be coming with some more videos. Hopefully you like and subscribe. Go back, watch some older ones. I'll be coming with some, this is the last of the draft picks. I think I'm, 2021 probably was the last. I'm not going to do any 2022 draft picks anymore. So as always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. I'll see you from our next video. Stay safe.